There he is. Let's go, baby.
There's two.
Let's go. There's three. Here, help me. There's another one in there. Do you see that?
No.
Another one. Oh my God. Holy crap, Skylar. Let's go! Let's go! Just flipped 3 massive rat snakes. They're all trying to get away from me simultaneously. It's quite the handful. Look at how big these are. That is a handful of rat snakes right there. Look at all these guys. What's up, mister? Put them down in this hole right here. Let them all three go back into their little spots. Here you go, guys.